If you're thinking about buying the Gusto wallet, there are a few things you absolutely need to know first. In this video, we'll walk you through 12 key points to help you decide if it's the right financial app for you and how it stacks up against the competition. The first thing to understand about Gusto Wallet is that it's designed primarily for employees of companies that use Gusto's payroll and HR software. So, if your company uses Gusto, you'll likely benefit from seamless integration, but if not, this may not be the best choice for you. Compare this to apps like Mint or Pocket Guard, which don't require a specific payroll provider. Next thing, Gusto Wallet offers automatic savings features, helping you set aside money for specific goals like emergencies or vacation. It automatically transfers money into your savings account based on rules you set. This is great, but it's similar to features you'll find on other budgeting apps like Capital or Digit, which also help you save automatically. The key difference here is that Gusto Wallet is more tailored to users with Gusto payroll accounts, so it might not be as flexible if you don't have that integration. The third thing to note is Gusto Wallet's fee structure. While the app itself is free, you will incur fees for certain transactions, like using out-of-network ATMs or making international transfers. This is pretty standard for many finance apps, but something to keep in mind if you plan on making frequent transfers. Many other apps like Revolut or Chime offer similar fees, so be sure to compare this to other alternatives before making a decision. Next thing, Gusto Wallet also offers budgeting tools, helping you track your income, expenses, and savings goals. While it's useful for basic budgeting, it's not as feature-rich as apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, which offers more detailed categorization and tracking options. If you're someone who wants in-depth financial analysis, Gusto Wallet might feel a bit basic compared to those alternatives. The fifth thing is Gusto Wallet's cashback rewards. You earn cashback on purchases made with your Gusto Wallet card, but this is a fairly standard feature, with competitors like Discover Cashback Debit offering similar programs. While the cashback is nice, it's not a huge selling point if you're after more significant rewards. The sixth thing to be aware of is the customer support. Gusto Wallet offers support via email, but it's not as robust as some other financial apps that provide 24/7 chat or phone support. So, if you need help fast, you might need to wait for a response. Apps like Chime offer much quicker support, so keep that in mind if fast service is a priority for you. The seventh thing is that Gusto Wallet offers a solid mobile experience with a clean, easy-to-use interface. It's simple to navigate and perfect for people who just want to check balances, transfer money, or view transactions. That said, if you're looking for advanced features or more customization, it might feel a little too basic compared to apps like Personal Capital, which offers more advanced investment tracking. The eighth thing is that Gusto Wallet integrates with Gusto's payroll system, which is great if you're already a Gusto user. It allows you to manage pay stubs, taxes, and even retirement contributions directly from the app. However, if you don't use Gusto for payroll, this feature won't be useful to you, and other apps like PayPal or Venmo can be used for transferring and managing money without such integration. The ninth thing is that Gusto Wallet provides you with a physical debit card that can be used anywhere that accepts MasterCard. This is great for everyday spending, but it's worth noting that some competitors, like Revolut, offer virtual cards that are more flexible for online transactions, and they often come with more international features. Next thing, Gusto Wallet supports direct deposit for your paycheck, making it easy to get paid directly into your account. But if you're looking for higher interest options or more flexibility, there are alternatives like SoFi or Ally that offer higher yields on savings accounts. The 11th thing is security. Gusto Wallet uses bank-level encryption to keep your information secure, which is a standard in the industry. While the app is secure, it's still important to practice good security habits, such as enabling two-factor authentication and regularly checking your account for unauthorized transactions. The 12th and final thing is that Gusto Wallet is a good choice for those who need a simple, easy-to-use financial app with basic features, especially if you already use Gusto for payroll. However, if you're looking for something with more advanced features or lower fees,